So I'm going to start cooking making spaghetti tonight. So we're gonna do that. All right, let's go. All right, so we got the andouille sausages. I'm gonna put inside of this. I'm gonna cut these up. Okay. And then I'm going to put the ground beef. I'm going to cook the sausages and stuff like that. And after I do that, I'm going to add the spaghettis.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me.
It's not much because it's just me. But once it's broken up, it'll be a little bit more. Okay, so I think this is done enough. Okay, so I think this is done enough, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour the sausages and the garlic in there. As well as the bell pepper and the onions. I'm gonna shake the rest of it off afterwards. So that is how it's looking at the moment. Just release that grease because you're gonna need some of it for the noodles. So after you let that go, you're gonna get this left out of it. This is kind of like a corner. And you're gonna put that inside of your pan, inside of your pot. And then just let the rest of it soak, okay? Alright, so here's the grease. Just pour it in there. Alright? Okay? Then you're gonna take this and you're gonna use it for your water. And it might give you a little reaction. Just put it on in there. Put it on in there. Alright. So now you got your little grease and stuff going. And your water. Let it boil. Okay? I got it on 5. Let it boil. And then we're going to put the noodles in. Okay? Alright. So y'all. I got on my little football earrings today. You know? So I'm watching Cowboy game. It's almost there. We're almost there, okay? Shout out to all y'all Cowboys players, cause y'all be doing y'all thing. Every last one of y'all, okay? Gonna root it to the tree. Okay. Okay, so we got the water boiling. Let's add the noodles. I can't find my stand. It's somewhere around here, but I can't find them. So they're gonna have to work with me putting it in my hand. Ooh, ooh. I'll put a little bit more on there. Cause I want to eat this up. So that's gonna be, I could probably eat that for like 2 days. All right, get the stirring around and everything. Stir it up.
Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. sugar got me open. Now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wine, but I think I'm here to solo. Hope my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty, pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Let her cook. Say what? Yeah. Girl, you know what's up. Ooh. Say what, say what, say what? Ooh. Girl, you know what's up. Me and my people be rolling. Scheming on you and your homie. Baby, first day of summer. All grown down in the Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay. Hope that you walk this way. You and your girls on the ride. Play all day.
She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. She said, take your time, what's no rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm one. I'm a dog, I'm a money. I can smoke already so hard in my blood, yeah. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down to you. Said I put my guard down to you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. She said, take your time, what's so rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a money. I'm a dog, I'm a money. No crib talking come through, it's time to break it in. 32 live on pants size, cause they try breaking it in. New condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a shoe to recreate the feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it.